Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, released here in late 2023. So quickly just looking at the box, there's not much going on. It's very simple. There's no like extravagant features listed on them. So straight to the unboxing itself. So a little phrase there. Yeah, it basically tells you that you want to use anything particular, want to know how to use it. Actually, just use it to its full potential. I guess the best way to put it is download the app, which I highly recommend if you get these earbuds. So there's the case itself, a little bigger than I wanted it to be honest. So if you're gonna take it in your pocket on the go, it's gonna bulge out just ever so slightly because it's a bit on the, I guess, taller side, if you will. But just taking the earbuds out, apologies for the camera focus, having some troubles today. But there's 1 and 2, so I'll put them to the side. We'll come back to those shortly anyway. But yeah, there they are. And they're a little bit on the longer side. I'm just trying to see if there's any physical buttons on them. It looks like there are, but I guess they're not. But again, those type of details we'll look over in the review video. A link to the review will be in the video description. Continuing with the unboxing, let's see what else we have. So USB-A to USB-C cable, unfortunately not pure USB-C, and other earbud tip fittings. It's great to have, versatile options. So let's see what Bose is included. So one set of ear tips are on the earbuds themselves, and we have a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have several options available, which is great to see. So you should have a snug, nice fit. And there's some additional documentation and just another phrase and logo saying to recycle. This is safety and warranty information, it's nothing special, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. There's not much more to go over. Again, link to the review will be in the video description. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.